My name is Ramon Brito. I'm a photographer, videographer from Washington Heights. I started photography in 2015 when I first went to Europe with my wife. We went to visit her country in Bulgaria as a way to record every moment, every experience that I had over there. I had my iPhone. I remember that it was like an iPhone 6 or 7, and I was just taking pictures of everything. I was memorized by the culture, and I was memorized by the people there. So I remember that at one point I maximized the memory because I took so many pictures and video of the experience that I had over there that I was like, I want to try this out. Bought my first crop sensor camera, which was a Lumix G5, and since then I've been taking pictures. Through photography, I've been able to connect more with my community. I've been able to resonate what makes my community whole. Looking throughout the entire neighborhood, you see little things where it makes me feel like I'm home. The last time I went to the Dominican Republic was in 2000 when I spent 6 years with my father, being raised by him, and then I came back over here. Thanks to photography, I've been able to resonate all those memories that I made in Dominican Republic when I was with my father. In Washington Heights, I've been able to revoke those feelings, those emotions back again, and it's thanks to photography. It's the perspective at how I see things through the camera, through the lens, and the stories I'm able to capture. I think that my sense of identity is of Washington Heights is cultivated, is empowered by the community. Not only the Dominican community, but the Latino community that we have here in the neighborhood. Even though I think that gentrification is good for the community because it's bringing a different type of environment for the community, for the well-being of the community, I also feel that it's bad due to the fact that those that establish themselves here, the locals, are the ones that are being pushed out. Even though they don't have a high education, their rent is going up from the places, so they cannot afford it. So little by little, the neighborhood is losing those people that establish themselves here. In the near future, Washington Heights might not be just Dominican as it was 10 years ago. The more gentrified it gets, the more the Washington Heights loses on its Dominican culture, or Mexican culture, or Peruvian culture, the Latino culture that first established Washington Heights, in my opinion.